the Lucky Headmaster, which is the JAMB novel, and make sure you practice questions under it. Wait, don't scroll past this. This can be the video that might help you to ace your JAMB 2020's exam. I know JAMB preparation might be overwhelming, but I took time to get the most recommended textbooks for JAMB 2026. So I'll be listing the most recommended textbooks for these 4 subjects, for biology, English, physics, and chemistry. So let's start with physics. One of the trickiest subjects in science is physics. Physics is the trickiest, and most students worry about physics, but with the right textbooks, you can get your score, you can ace your physics exam in JAMB 2026. So I'll be listing the textbook now. The first textbook here is Essential Physics. Essential Physics for secondary school. So make sure you get that textbook. The next textbook is New School Physics. New School Physics. Also make sure you get that textbook. New School Physics breaks down complex topics that makes it so easy. And you can see a lot of examples. And those examples do come out in JAMB exam. I've seen a lot of examples under the physics textbook, New School Physics textbook, and I saw it in my JAMB exam. So it is very important to practice all those exercises and examples under each topic in the textbook for essential and for especially for New School Physics. So the next textbook I'll be talking about is Comprehensive Physics. Comprehensive Physics is packed with detailed explanation and past questions. It is packed with detailed explanation and past questions. So make sure you get that textbook also. So now let's move to the next one, which is the most important that a lot of students fear to attempt, which is chemistry. Chemistry is the next one we'll be talking about. So let's talk about chemistry, another subject that a lot of JAMB students fear. But with the right books, it becomes much easier with the right textbooks. So the textbook to start with is New School Chemistry by Ababio. That textbook cannot be replaced when practicing or when doing your lesson or when studying. That textbook cannot be replaced. If you haven't gotten the textbook, make sure you get that textbook, that New School Chemistry. It has clear explanation and detailed chapter. And the next textbook you should also look out for is Essential Chemistry. That is a great textbook for quick revision and direct answer. So without much being said, let's move to biology. So the next on the list is biology. Biology is theory heavy and you need books to simplify it. So I recommend Modern Biology. You can see the textbook on your screen right now. So make sure you get that textbook. That textbook, I also used it when practicing for my JAMB exam. It breaks down explanation with diagrams and real life examples. It breaks down explanation with diagram and real life examples. So the next textbook to look out for in biology is Comprehensive Biology. Comprehensive Biology is based on practice question and JAMB past question and style of setting their question. So now let's move to the last one, which is English language. So English language includes comprehension, grammar, and JAMB novel. So the first one we'll be talking about is JAMB novel. Don't skip the Lucky Headmaster, which is the JAMB novel, and make sure you practice questions under it. You will definitely see questions under the Lucky Headmaster. You will definitely see questions under this novel. Make sure you practice it. And if you need questions on the Lucky Headmaster, check the description. You will see a quiz link to practice 100 questions on Lucky Headmaster. You will see a quiz link to practice 100 questions on Lucky Headmaster. And you will also need the Invisible Teacher. The Invisible Teacher is an English textbook. I know most of you are familiar with that textbook, and if you are not familiar, if you are hearing it for the first time, the Invisible textbooks, the Invisible Teacher will also help you. We also have A to Z use of English. Make sure if you are able to get that textbook, it is also essential. And if you need the PDF of that textbook, make sure you share the number showing on your screen right now to get it. And if you need all these textbooks, join my premium tutorial, Learn with Israel tutorial, Learn with Israel premium tutorial. We offer all the material you are going to need without stress. Once you join the tutorial, you will see all the textbook already pinned on the tutorial group. So another textbook you also need is Silent Teacher. Silent Teacher by Olatoye S. It is also very important in acing your UTME exam. So with this, we've come to the end of this video. And if you need a video on the most repeated topics in English, physics, chemistry, biology, or mathematics, drop it in the comment section. You will type, I need a video on repeated topics on the particular subject that you need. So drop it in the comment section. I'll be right there waiting for your comments. So this textbook I've listed, they are the textbooks that can change your performance. Maybe you've maybe you've practiced, maybe you've done JAMB for 2, 3 times or 4 times or 5 times. These are the textbooks that can change your performance from low to high if you are able to study them with timetable. If this video helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Make sure you share to your friends and classmates. Make sure you share with someone preparing for this exam. And if you want a deeper lesson or personal guidance, just share the number showing on your screen right now to join Learn with Israel tutorial. Here we are going to give you all the material you need, all the textbook you need in English, that you need in physics, including LAMLAD. I know most of you have heard about LAMLAD textbooks. I have sent that LAMLAD physics textbook, the PDF, I have sent it to the group. Instead of buying that textbook that is worth of, I think maybe 15,000 naira or 10,000 naira, I'm not sure about the price, you can just get the PDF. You can just get the PDF. You have LAMLAD for chemistry, LAMLAD for physics, LAMLAD for biology, which you can get for free once you join our tutorial. And not just our free tutorial, we have free tutorial, we also have premium tutorial. Free tutorial is for everyone. Premium tutorial is for those that have paid to join the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Make sure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. And keep practicing, don't forget, keep learning and keep practicing. Don't be discouraged, don't be swayed, don't be distracted. See you in the next one.